Welcome back everybody. So in this video we need to talk about DWAC, Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, live trading and all kinds of setup, definitely check out the Patreon, and that link will be down below in the description. And now let's get right into it. On DWAC, it's up 16% on the day, $7. But this morning, pre-market, it was up over 30%, got up to $57, and then came back at opening, opened at 55, and now trading at 50.56, up 16%. And also the biggest catalyst right now on DWAC, the merger finally happening, and that is why this thing exploding. And not to mention, Trump is still the front runner and he's going to run for the office. And people that are subscribed to my channel, especially watching DWAC videos for the last 2 years, from day one, since this thing actually came into the market, you know that this is the stock I've been holding for a long time. And I'm not selling completely out of my position yet because I think this thing can move even higher, 100, 150, 200, possibly, who knows, 250 to 500. Anything is possible. Look at that junk right now, SMCI. You think somebody's buying that because they want to buy that thing at 1,000? No, that is a massive short squeeze on that one. So this thing here also, we could see the same thing. Possibly this thing can go even higher. But, if this thing goes up to like 100, 150, 250, who knows, maybe 500, I'll be really happy with that. So DWAC, lot more catalysts to come here in the stock yet. And then you're going to see the name change happening also after the merger. And soon as that happens, there's going to be more upgrades, more catalysts, and especially the election is coming very soon. Just a couple months away, guys. So this thing here can definitely, we could see a massive run to the upside. And so far, if we look at it, we got that big pop to the upside at 58. And look at the pullback. Yes, this thing was overextended. And I called it right here that we would get a pullback. We got it. And then some consolidation and slowly moving up. And now with that new catalyst, we gapped up today. So now this thing has a gap right here, 43.83. Now, are we going to see this gap getting filled? Possible. It's not too far away, trading at 50. But also, that does not mean that this thing will crash and come down to 10 bucks anytime soon. So DWAC, guys, levels to watch. And let me give you all the levels that you need going into next few trading session. Especially now, if you look at my screen, looks like we got rejection few times around 48 bucks right here. So that's going to be a level to watch on DWAC below 50. And then we also now have strong support at 46. And you can see it's been trading above 46 right here. And then finally came down. It was finding strong resistance at 46 and then finally gapped up now. So that's going to be a strong support at 46 below 48. And then this gap, which is also, if you look at my screen, in line with this white line, 20 SMA, 40 to 25, and 13 SMA right here, 43.90. So right here in between 42 to 45, that's going to be a strong level, especially on DWAC on any pullback. Now, if this thing actually gives up this support right here after filling this gap, then yes, we could see some more dump off, possibly down to this level 32, and then this gap 28.05. Now, another thing I want to point out, this thing here, unless there is some bad catalyst, I don't see a significant, sell-off here on DWAC. And there is a reason. Look at this Bollinger Band here on bottom. It's actually moving up. And that means one thing, even on a big pullback, this thing should hold right here, around $28, right here, close to the gap. So DWAC, if there is a pullback, big one here, I know a lot of you guys are waiting for a pullback to buy DWAC. You may get lucky, but as of right now, I don't think you're going to get that pullback. This thing can go up even more, especially as long as DWAC can stay above rising 20-day moving average right here. this white line 40 to 25, yes, we could see a pullback here, but as long as this thing can hold above 42.25, we could see explosion again. And now it just need to get over 53. As soon as this thing actually breaks 53, we could see a move all the way up to this high 58.72, and this is where we got a gap at 63. So yes, this thing can run even higher. Even in the short term, we could see a move all the way up to 63 and then possibly up to even $71, and that is gonna be huge. So I think there is still more upside left just in the short term. And if you're looking for the long-term run, then watch out 100, 150, 200, 250, possibly even 500. Anything is possible here on the stock. So I just want to give you guys a quick update and rundown on DWAC. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.